How to add location to Facebook page. So if you want to add location to your Facebook page, then all you have to do is first of all open up your Facebook page, and after opening your Facebook page, on the upper right corner you will have a 3-barred icon. Tap on that and then tap on your profile, and here if you scroll down you will find an about option. Tap on about and then scroll down, and here you will have edit public details. Tap on that, and before proceeding make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here scroll down and find details, and on the right side of details you will have edit option. Tap on edit, and then here you will have contact info. Tap on add your address, and from here you can add your location. So you need to enter your street number or street name and then add your city, and after that add your zip code, and then you can also add map location. So after entering all of this you can simply tap on save, and that's it guys. That's how you add location to a Facebook page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.